All right, everybody. Thanks for joining me again to another Moose Made video. Now, I know it's been a while as of filming this. Today is March 4th, I believe, maybe March 5th of 22. So it's been a while since I've shot anything, and let me tell you why. I've decided to go back to school and finish my degree. So I've been spending a lot of time at school working on that. I'm going to be I'm an anthropologist, so I'm interested in that, particularly archaeology. So I've been busy doing those things. Yes, Indiana Jones. Maybe. Anyway, so here's what's going on with the cars. We're all familiar with the SEL, which I've had. But did you see, I've recently acquired this beauty right here. I got this back in November, a couple months ago, and it didn't work, didn't run. And I actually started filming another video what I was doing, and it didn't make it to the cutting room. So let's go over what I'm doing, and we're gonna do another little thing on this today. Let's go. Let's go. All right, there it is. It's a 1988 420 SEL, that's right. I've got the hood popped right now, so that's why the body lines look a little strange. But there we go. If we walk around this, see, look how long that wheelbase is. That is incredible. All right, so we have done that, and now I've cleaned it up. So let's see what I got on the inside. The inside is a little, so we open this up here. The interior, pretty typical stuff. The driver's seat's in fair condition. And I got a little stuff in the console, and you see the wood here is, it looks like it's 33 years old because the original stereo, which is a project coming up I'm going to work on, and the passenger seat is a little worse than wear. So there's that standard crack in the dash. You can find one without a crack in the dash. That's, you're doing all right. And then, of course, if we go here to the back, let's open this up and see, get a little tour. There's a little tear in the leather here, but this is all actually part of my replace, because if we look here through the window, see, it's, I don't know if you can see with the, see, it's torn. Yeah, and that's no good. So I'm gonna get some covers on these and yeah, work to bring it back to life. And you can hear, there it is. All right, so that's the inside. Let's look at the out. Okay, here we are. The engine, look at all that spaghetti. But what we're going to concern ourselves with today is under here. This is the distributor. So this is a cap, and it just comes off. It's not the distributor cap, it's a distributor cap. Yeah, a little redundant. It's the Germans. It's good. Thinking of everything. So there's a clip here, clip on the other side, you squeeze it, and it comes off. I've already gone ahead and released it. We can set that to the side. Now, if you notice, looks like I've got some writing on here. Well, I have. And what that is the cylinder designation for each wire. You can see I wrote on with a Sharpie, you got 6, 3, 7, etc. And that make it so that when I took them off, I know where to put them back. Now the new cap and the old cap, they are numbered. And I've got the old bits here, and I'm not gonna go through it, but I'm gonna show you. So here's the old distributor button. It's a little worn out. It is, it's, and it doesn't look like it, but you can see it's worn. I tried to clean it up a little bit with some sandpaper. Sort of worked, sorta not. And then the other distributor cap, and I was pulling apart, and look at that, that one is actually broken. That's no good. Why is that important? Well, distribution, heat sink, the amount of heat that the cap can hold, and inside, and you can see in the light there is a bit worn. Okay, and that's fine. This is old. It's been around a while, and that's okay. So I went ahead and I purchased new ones. And here we go, got my ignition. Now I've already replaced the spark plug wires, which see down there, pull the thing off and it's recessed. And now you've got the plug out. Now what did I do? Well, I numbered these, and then I pulled them off. And I'll just pull one off here and see how tight this is. These are on there pretty tight. I'm not kidding. So pull them all off, and the cap comes off. You're like, well, wait a minute, that's black and that's not. Well, that's because that's a cover for the cover. And you can take the cover off after these screws come out. 1, 2, 3, cap comes off, and we'll release the cover, transfer the cover onto the new cap, put the new cap and rotor button on. The rotor button, you see underneath here is a little tab inside. It just lifts off, and it only goes on one way, so you can turn and put it on and you'll feel it click into place in the correct orientation. It only goes on one way if you line it up to where you took it off. And put that on, and then there it is. Now to get these back on, it is a little tight. Yeah, there it is. See, if I find a click, that's it. It does take some force to get those on, and put them back on. There it is. 1, 2, 3, and now you've got your new distributor and distributor cap set up. It's not too tough. You could probably do it in 10, 15 minutes. Yeah, take time, 10, 15 minutes, and the cap just goes back on, and then line up the wires here, and it kind of slides on, and you'll see the little tab down there. Just pop it on. There we go. Now you got your cover. Whoosh, just like that. Fresh ignition, ready to ride again. There we go. All right. That's it. There's your cap. Pull back. Get a look at the car. Very, very nice.